Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ThinQa step by step, from logging in to generating a design report for prototyping. First, open your browser, then write thin.ka. You will get this page, Get Started with ThinQa. Here, you can sign in using 3 options, Google, GitHub, or email. I'm going to choose Google account. I'll select my account and sign in. Now I'm on the ThinQa dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage resources, start new designs, and return to previous sessions. On the left side, you'll see My Resources. This section shows 2 key things, credits and storage. Credits are what you spend when you run design sessions and generate outputs inside ThinQa. So if you ever can't run something, your credits are the first thing to check. Storage shows how much space you're using for saved files and results, so it helps you keep track of your workspace. Right below that, you have 2 quick options. Buy more credits is where you add more credits if you need them. And Manage Files is where you organize your saved outputs, so you can find your reports and files easily later. In the center, you'll see Start Generating. This is the main action area for creating a new biomimicry design. When you're ready to begin a fresh project, click Bio-Inspire New Design. This takes you directly into the Biomimicry Engineer workspace, where you can start chatting with ThinQa. On the right side, you'll see Recent Activity. This shows your most recent design sessions with timestamps, so you can quickly reopen an idea you worked on earlier without starting from scratch. And if you want to see everything you've created, click View All Sessions and Jobs. If I scroll down, there's also a Resources section. Here you can explore Learn Biomimicry to understand the process, tutorials to follow step-by-step guidance, and examples to see how other biomimicry challenges are structured. Now that we've toured the dashboard, let's start a new design session. I'll click Bio-Inspire New Design. This opens the Biomimicry Engineer workspace. This is the main area where ThinQa guides you through the full biomimicry design process from problem to report. On the left side, you'll see Chat with ThinQa. This is where everything starts. Here, you describe your engineering challenge in your own words, what you want to design, what it should do, and where it will be used. You can also upload a document for inspiration, like a brief, notes, requirements, or any background information. Uploading helps ThinQa understand your context faster and makes the suggestions more relevant. At the top, ThinQa shows the workflow stages that you will move through during the session. The first stage is problem scoping. Next is research and ideation. Then comes principle extraction. Finally, you'll see contradiction analysis. On the right side, you'll see the design report panel. Think of this as your final output area. When you're ready to convert the conversation into a structured deliverable, you click Generate Report. Now I'm going to start the conversation. ThinQa asks, would you prefer a fast way or a deep ThinQa approach? For this tutorial, I'm going to choose fast way, because it's the quickest option to generate ideas and move forward without a long discussion. The fast way is best when you want a faster workflow. It gives you quick inspiration, quick biological strategies, and a faster path to a concept, so you can start prototyping sooner. Now I'll type my engineering challenge. So I'll write a clear prompt like, I want to reduce heat buildup on a wall panel in a hot climate. The solution should be lightweight, safe to touch, and easy to prototype. Ideally, it should improve cooling without using electricity. Then I click Send. If you have a document, like a brief or a list of constraints, you can upload it using the upload icon to help ThinQa understand your context faster. Now we start with problem scoping. ThinQa asks a few quick questions to define the problem clearly. Next is research and ideation. ThinQa suggests biological inspiration, nature strategies related to my challenge. Then we move to principle extraction. ThinQa turns the biology into clear design principles. After I finish chatting with ThinQa, I move to the right side where I see Design Report. Now I click Generate Report. Once ThinQa generates the report, a new button appears called Submit Job to Agent. This step sends the report task to the agent so it can finalize the output. So now I'm going to click Submit Job to Agent, and we'll see the result. When you click Submit Job to Agent, ThinQa will take you to this page. Here, you can see your design geometry prompt. Think of this as the instruction that controls the shape, pattern, and structure of your design. If you want the model to look different, this is one of the main places you can edit. Right below, you'll find your prototype models. These are the generated versions of your design. Each time you update the geometry, the latest version appears at the top. From this page, you can either review the design or download it. When you download, it will be saved as an STL file. Anytime you make changes to your design, whether you edit the geometry prompt, you need to click Check for Prototype. Once you click it, ThinQa will load the newest version, and the updated prototype will show up at the top. On this same page, you can also view your full design report. It usually starts with a summary, then the problem definition, and it may include additional details like design explanation and references related to your topic. This is useful if you want to document your project, share it with a supervisor, or use it in a presentation. If you want to modify the idea, you have two options. You can click Back to Chat, refine your prompt or constraints, and then resubmit the job again. Or, if you don't want to go back to the chat, you can edit the design geometry prompt directly on this page. After editing, click Regenerate to create new prototype models. Then click Check for Prototype to display the updated result. Finally, if you need any information, help, or suggestions, you can contact us using the email shown on this page. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. See you next time.